Everybody, welcome to Bar Run Forge.
What's happening?
It's a Wednesday afternoon at 4:40.
What? This isn't Tinker with Troy.
not-
Where am I?
Not Tinker with Troy.
What is happening?
Yeah. We just got a small piece of audio equipment, and we wanted to do a quick live and test and kind of an update to see what's going on.
Here in a second.
Huh?
Oh, that sounds so better.
Eli says that's so better. That is so better.
What does everybody think of the audio? Here, hang on just a second. Let me turn. So I'm going to turn myself off on the audio real quick, and we're going to see what it sounds like when it's just you.
Okay. Go ahead. You want me to go ahead now? So I should probably just talk, is what you're wanting me to do, is to talk so we can test the audio. And then you guys can give us feedback as to how the audio is working. We've made a slight change. We're using kind of the same mics and everything. We just got a different piece of equipment trying to run the audio. So that's the reason why we're doing. That's fantastic. That is fantastic. Go ahead.
We are excited because now you guys can hear him.
Some of you may not be excited. It's you ask for it kind of thing, right?
Surprise.
You wanted me louder. You wanted me clearer. Now you
Yeah.
got it.
A $12 fix.
Yep.
Looky there.
Yep.
Cool. What is happening? Yeah. Hello. It's not Thursday. Yes, it is not Thursday. Dan.
I can
But
still
thank
hear,
you,
I can still hear
everybody.
that on there, by the way.
Hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I had me up still. I was just kind of making sure. Even Gordon jumped in. Holy cow.
Hey, Gordon.
No,
Sounds
it
good,
is not
much-
Thursday.
yeah.
To give anybody who just came in, we are doing a quick audio update test, and it seems like everything is going great. So
Yeah.
yeah, if as long as it sounds good to you guys, then fantastic. Feedback a little bit when I talk though. Okay.
I think part of that may
Maybe
also
just
be he had
it's
his
catching
phone
you.
up a second ago listening.
Oh yeah. You're right.
So,
But-
and let us know if that's still happening now that Eli has
Yes.
the phone off. Let us know if there's still feedback.
It's catching you a little bit, but I think just in general the sound quality is definitely better.
Okay.
So
Yeah, Gordon, there will be a Thursday stream. This
tomorrow
is
will happen.
total test stream, just a
Yep.
quick update, let you know what's going on. We actually had a really cool guest in here just a minute ago, a young, not young, an older fella who, be in prayer for him. He has pulmonary embolisms in his lungs. He has AFib. There's a bunch of stuff going on with him right now. He really just needs a lot of prayer. But he saw us at a show and demo and really wanted us to do a project, really cool project. And so, as a result of that, we now have our Thursday evening project that we've been kind of thinking about. We now have an official Thursday night stream project. And it's kind of similar to what you got back here.
Yep.
It's going to be a holder or a rack for 4 collectible Civil War era and up bang bangs.
Bang bangs.
Bang bangs.
You can't say.
We can't say the
Those words
things
on
this right.
YouTube.
Right. We're not supposed to say those words on YouTube. So 4 Civil War era bang bangs and a small Civil War era Derringer bang bang.
Bang bang.
So
Bunch of big bang bangs, a double bang bang, and a small bang bang.
yes, a Springfield bang bang.
Yeah. Really a long.
A long bang bang, right?
Double bang bang and a musket bang bang, and then a tiny bang
A
bang.
Derringer bang bang. But anyway, basically it's going to be 2 of these racks that will hold 2 bang bangs apiece. And so they'll be similar. They don't want them exactly the same, so we're going to do them slightly different. So that's going to be our Thursday project. Going to be another Jeff. Just for a moment, Jeff, how are you doing, buddy?
Yes.
I'm glad it sounds good.
Yes.
Yes, pew pew works too.
Yes. We will bang bang some metal for some pew pews. Is this kid appropriate?
I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, I'm really excited. This is
Alive
really
and well.
cool because we were kind of debating on what's going to be our Thursday night project. Are we just going to do kind of random projects? And this came up, and we kind of have a deadline to get it done. So
It's gonna be the project.
it's going to be our Thursday night project. So
And it'll be cool because we'll have the video evidence of us making it. Which will be it's always cool to have the process of the project that you own.
yeah,
on
we've done a
video.
couple projects on Thursday night where other people have actually been in watching it while we've been doing it, and that's just fantastic. It's just such a cool idea.
There's a story behind the piece.
Yeah, absolutely. Got a couple other things. You guys have probably watched the
Big Bang Bang.
the Big Bang Bang Bang,
The Power Bang Bang.
the Power Bang Bang. What?
We call it the Power Bang Bang.
I don't know.
No.
But anyway, the Power Hammer right over here, man.
Yeah.
It's just
And
really
if you
cool.
haven't, go watch it because it's slightly entertaining.
Yes, it is. It is quite entertaining.
It's kind of a teaser because it's now just sitting in the shop and we can't use it
Yeah,
because the power back here is not quite ready. And concrete probably is okay now.
Yeah,
but
I'd say so.
The power is like, nah, you're not getting to use your
Yeah.
big toy in the shop. So
yeah. We're 380 feet away from the power source on
Old
small
lines.
old wire,
yeah.
and actually, Rob, we're using the same lavalier.
Yeah, it was literally
It was
So-
the connector.
this piece right here is what we're using to connect to the computer to run USB as a sound microphone, and this one right here is just pooed out. So
Yeah.
I ordered a new one of those, and apparently it's done the trick quite well. No, that lavalier mic is highly recommended on Amazon, and for the price, for the quality of it,
Yeah. Same one
Definitely.
Yamez uses.
yep.
Yamez saw that we were using it, started using it himself. So you're welcome, Yamez. But yeah, we're using the same lapel mic. I love it
Yes.
because it really does a great job of isolating the outside
Right.
noise. I mean,
Yeah.
when the blowers go on or the forge or whatever, even the propane forge, it doesn't pick it up.
Right.
And when you're here, it's not a super loud, crazy. I can actually talk while forging.
Yep. It's pretty good.
Yeah, and cheap. Rob, if you're looking for one, again, and they're super easy. Let me show you. I mean, it's just two little packs that look like this. I mean, the other one, it looks just like this with a 3.5 millimeter plug right here. Just two little battery pack, rechargeable. And I haven't treated them real well either.
Yeah, I mean they've been abused in the shop, and they still work
Yeah.
just fine.
And last we saw on Amazon, they were what, $59?
$50.
Yeah, somewhere around the
Somewhere around that,
$50 range. So for a really simple, and you can plug it right back in the
Yeah.
back of your computer. If your computer has a microphone input, 3.5 millimeter, plug it right in. You're good. You've got a microphone. So I would highly recommend it for sure.
Not sponsored.
Hey, Metal Blueberry says the Power Hammer is now named Little
Little Baby Bang
Baby
Bang.
Bang Bang.
Sounds like a sushi restaurant.
I was thinking, like Chitty Chitty Bang Bang.
Yeah.
Maybe something along that line.
What's happening, Bill Corey?
Bill Corey, howdy, 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 howdy. Did I get 4 in or 5? I don't
I
know.
think you got 4.
Okay.
You got to do the last one really loud, though, because he put like 6 exclamation.
Hi, Bill
howdy.
Corey. Hey,
You get
buddy,
howdy,
this is just
howdy,
a test.
howdy, howdy.
We're,
Howdy.
we're just doing a quick shop update and a test. We've got some audio stuff that we changed around just a little bit.
Hello, Justin.
And so we're just kind of hanging there. Justin Ray, hoorah.
Yes, sir.
Welcome in there,
But
Marie.
yeah, we were running some tests on the audio equipment. Apparently, they sound good, and we were doing a project update.
Yeah.
We were gonna do a shop update. I got a new toy. Well, we got a couple Amazon gifts this week. I got a butcher block brush. Yay, exciting! Woo. There you go. I have my own butcher block brush. That was my graduation gift from the church. So thank you, church.
Yeah.
And the new USB plug. So out with the old and in with the one that's now plugged in, and you can hear Dad on fantastically. So
Fantastic.
fantastic.
And now for our
Tomorrow we'll
sponsor.
still yes. Yeah, we've noticed that. We'll have to do a little bit of tweaking. I'll have to go through and check some audio on that. So, other than that, if you haven't watched the Power Hammer video, it's up. It's exciting. And was there one other thing we got? I feel like we're missing something. Did we get anything else in here? I haven't got anything.
I don't think so. I've also been really busy on a remodel project at my mom's house.
We.
I
haven't really done that much. but I still help.
Bill, we didn't change mics. We changed a connection for
This
the
little
mic.
guy, a
Yeah.
$12, $13 replacement.
That was the one that came with Eli's mic,
Yeah.
and it was not real good. It wasn't highly recommended, but the mic was highly recommended. So we used that until it didn't get real good connection anymore, and so we changed out to that other thing.
Yes. But no, the mics are still the same. He's still using the same lapel mic. I'm still using the same mic here. What's happening, Chaz? But that USB audio input is replaced. So now,
Yeah.
hopefully, everything sounds good. Apparently, there's a little echo
Yeah.
in my deal, so we might have to tweak that a little bit.
And I wonder if maybe plugging mine back in where yours is. And
Yeah, we
switching
may
those
swap
out.
them out, and it may fix that,
Yeah.
or tweaking the actual software or something.
Yeah.
But I think the main thing now is you sound louder, which is helpful.
To some. To some.
Well, it is helpful to
Ed! Man, everybody's
Hello,
jumping in on her. You
Yeah,
guys have got to be bored, man.
funny to watch at 4:51 on a Wednesday.
Yeah.
It's like, hey, what's going on over at Bar Run Forge?
This is it, man. This is
Nothing.
it. Yeah, we can't think of a whole lot more. We just kind of want to do a quick sound check and do an update on the sound thing, on our new Thursday night project. Again, keep in mind, too, one of the things I wanted to mention on the live stream tomorrow night, remember the bell over there? If you guys have somebody that you want to kind of shout out in remembrance and things like that, that's what that bell is for. So anytime you guys want to, remembrance of somebody you've lost or somebody who's served or anything like that, that's what that's there for. Let us know that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep.
On the other end, if you've got anything going on, want to get in touch with us or let us know. What's happening, Randy? You are always welcome. Like we say every stream, we've got all of our personal contact information on the About channel of the channel, About page of the channel. I'll get words right eventually. Live stream still happening tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
So get ready for that. And other than that,
Yeah,
if
if I can
you-
get if I can get the material for this, we'll probably start on that project
Yeah.
tomorrow.
we've got a new shop freezer coming tomorrow.
All right.
There'll
So
be a-
you can see behind Eli, we have a shop fridge.
There's
Okay.
a shop fridge over
Yeah.
there. Nice stainless steel shop fridge. We've had
Just
this fridge
fine.
for forever.
Yes.
Works good. So on unfortunately, my boss was bringing our new vaccine freezer fridge for work. It's it was an older one that we had or another store had. They were going to let us use it until we got our new one because ours broke. Ours is fine apparently. So we brought this one. My boss brought this one, and on the way there, within under 5 minutes of being to the store, it shattered the front pane of glass in the nasty, wet Ohio snow sleet. Shattered glass, and he showed up just with a very sad look on his face of, I'm sad that this happened, and I don't know what to do with it because now we just have a junk fridge. And I said, I have an idea. We can put another shop fridge in here.
Junk fridge, you say?
Yes. So that one, at some point, we'll put that one in a house because it looks good. But the other one will be in here at some point. So we'll have 2 shop fridges at some point in here. Why not, right?
Yeah.
So,
If you got one shop fridge, why
Why
not 2?
¿por qué no las dos? That's the little Mexican girl on the Old El Paso tacos.
Oh yeah.
When she says, have a flat taco or have the soft taco, and she goes, ¿por qué no las dos?
Why not 2?
And then there you go. Middleman.
Hey, Bill, you're killing us with the suspense on that thing, man. If you're trying to keep it a secret, that's fine. I understand.
Yes.
We'll be shocked and we'll be surprised. But man, oh man, that we're excited.
Yes.
And Randy, yes, we would love a couple of your stickers.
Yes.
And the
Stickers are great.
moment yours arrive, you're going to get some in return. And there's Kenny. Kenny, how are you? Man, that dude's been killing it lately.
Yes, absolutely.
Kenny
Chirpy.
has been tearing it up.
Hello, Chirpy.
Chirpy jumping in.
Fantastic.
Hi, buddy.
16 people hanging out with us.
Just
on
hanging out.
Wednesday
Because that's
evening.
pretty much all we're doing. There's no
Yes.
project going on here. We're just
Nope.
hanging out and getting the shop update. I did
That's-
finish the spoon from last Thursday,
You did.
and it actually turned out pretty good.
The thickest handled spoon ever.
Yeah. There will not be a baked bean it won't be able to pick up.
No. it could hold about a 5-inch long baked bean.
Yeah, no problem.
Solid mass
Not a
baked
problem.
bean, and it would be
Yep.
just fine.
What I ended up actually doing on that flat was we put it in the swedge block and kind of curled it. Like Roy's kind of been doing that on some of his blanks, to put kind of a contour to the handle that way. Hey, Holler!
What's happening, Holler?
And then we put a little bit of an arc to it. So it's very comfortable in the hand, and then the bowl of the spoon turned out really good. So I'm pretty pleased with it.
Yes.
It's going to be used out on the fire pit that you guys have already seen. So
For updates purposes, live stream is still happening tomorrow. We will still be forging and possibly forging something that you see behind him. You want to give another update for people who have come recently?
yeah, we just actually got to about 20 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Got a commission for a project to hang.
Really cool project.
Really cool project. 2 of these hangers, hanging stands or hanger stands, freestanding stands to hold 2 Civil War era and beyond bang bangs.
Pew pews.
Yeah, pew pews, whatever you want to call them. And so that's what we're getting ready to start on, hopefully tomorrow.
It'll be cool. There'll be 2 Civil War, or 1 Civil War era bang bang, a double barrel bang bang, a Springfield bang bang, and a musket loader bang bang, and then a little Derringer bang bang. That all get the 4 of them will get the bracket stands, and then 1 will be a wall hook stand. Yeah.
So we're excited. I'm excited about the project. The part for little Derringer, no big deal. Those are just 2 J wall hooks with flat
Still got to make another
flat fishtail finials.
And then the other ones will be stands with railroad spike hangers.
Yes.
So pretty cool little project. I'm excited to see how they turn out.
Yeah, me too.
For sure. We had a newbie blacksmith come into the shop yesterday. Forgot about that. He's watching. I think he just texted me. So there'll be a short little video pop out on that as well at some point. I mildly taught somebody a small amount of blacksmithing. It was interesting. It was fun. To me, it was cool because I know very, very little about blacksmithing so far, but it was kind of neat to, one, refresh myself on making a taper and making, curly cues and stuff like that. Just, again, always keeping your skills fresh and things like that. And then teaching somebody about that, it was cool.
Yeah, and it kind of puts a different thought in your brain. While, okay, this is how I would do it if I just walked up and did it. Right. And now I have to instruct somebody who's never swung a hammer before how to do it. And again, let us clarify. I've mentioned in here before that we've got a couple classes coming up, and that may be a bit of a misnomer. Is it just in all actuality?
Somebody was purchasing a birthday gift for some of our
one of my minister friends. I'm in ministry, and one of my minister friends said, "Wait, blacksmithing?" He said, "Could you show my boys how to do some basic blacksmithing?"
Right.
Absolutely. And he said, "Look, your time is valuable. I'll compensate you for your time." And so I happened to mention in here that we had a couple blacksmithing classes coming up. Let me clarify.
A private class.
There will be 2 young guys in here getting a little instruction on extremely beginning blacksmithing and just an introduction. Hey, here's blacksmithing. What do you think about it?
Right.
So, don't get the idea that since Eli taught his buddy some of those things, and I'm about to teach a couple young men how to. This is literally us trying to introduce people to blacksmithing. This is not us teaching classes on blacksmithing. Yes. So, just
it's not. It's again. It's just we have some friends that more so he decided to pay us than the fact that we because again I taught Fletcher a little bit of blacksmithing yesterday, and I didn't charge him for it. I didn't charge him for materials or anything, but the gentleman who was purchasing this wanted to purchase it as a birthday present for them. So we'll definitely, give instruction, but at the same time not.
Yeah, Randy, that's exactly it. If you read Randy's comment, that's spot on, man.
Right.
People who've never done it before, never swung a hammer, pretty much most of you guys, nearly all you guys in here who are, you could bring somebody into your forge
Yeah.
and instruct them on the
Make a
basics
taper.
of making
Yeah.
a taper, or
Then
this is how you heat
yeah.
steel, or anything along that line. You don't have to be. And again, the United States doesn't have, apprentice. They don't have the official designations of, beginner, apprentice, journeyman, and master. They just don't have that here in the United States. California is trying to kind of establish that with their association, but universally in the United States, they just don't have that. So we're just introducing people to the craft, really.
Do we follow Randy on Instagram? He has an Instagram, doesn't he?
I don't know.
Do you have an Instagram, Randy? Or what's the best way to contact you? And where can I find your information to contact you? Sir.
Did Ed say fire up the forge?
He did.
What the heck?
Some impromptu Wednesday forging.
You guys.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, if you guys are willing to hang out.
Yeah, if you want to hang out and watch some forging, why not, right?
Yeah.
Want to join up?
I mean, I haven't cleaned the fire. I haven't done anything.
Yeah, some crazy dude yesterday forging all up in here.
Yeah. Somebody
Made
who used it
What did
did.
I make a?
By the way, let me
made
just show you.
Maybe.
We've forged twice in this fire for a long time. That's the extent of the clinker. Okay? Coke.
Yeah, go. Randy Mills on Facebook, newsletter on Insta. All right, Randy, I will get a hold of you at the moment. I think I follow you, or we follow you. Newts. Whip. Newts Leather and Metal Smooth. You're watching me do it right now, Randy. My lovely wife, Janice, a.k.a. MLWJ, just called for dinner. Well, have a good dinner, Bill Corey.
Bill, good to see you, man. We're looking forward to whatever it is that's coming our way, man. We're excited about that. And we had somebody the other day who said they were getting ready to send us something. Don't mention who it was. You don't have to.
Yeah. I was just trying to think. Absolutely. Because you guys are the best.
Yeah, man, what a community.
Oh. How do I do that? Make you an admin. I'm not sure I know.
Made who an admin?
Randy.
On here?
Yeah.
Hey, what the heck?
There
If
you
you
go.
want to let him be an admin, let him be an admin.
You are now is it moderator?
Moderator?
I think so. Yep, you are now a moderator. And I'll post the links. There you go.
How about that?
I assume that's what.
I didn't know we were permitted to do that.
Yeah, I thought you had to be like monetized.
Monetized and stuff.
Cool.
What's your source for smithing coke? Eli, explain that while I'm cleaning out here.
We have been say it.
Stupid blessed.
Stupid blessed. So the 4.5 tons roughly of coke that we have obtained came from a schoolhouse and was hand bucketed from the basement of this said schoolhouse into a dump cart and brought here. We were given it to us for free because somebody said, "Hey, it's down here. Get it out of my schoolhouse." So boom, there you go. We've also one of our blacksmith buddies that work in the shop with us and have some equipment in the shop with us has a bunch of coal that he's been using for the past 20 odd years. So he also supplied us with coal. We've got about a ton or so coal. And then we've also got coal at some point to go get for free.
Yep,
So again, we are stupid blessed.
it's true. Whoa.
So. there
Yeah,
you
in
go.
case anybody's wondering, everybody kind of, not everybody, but people start their fires in different ways. The way ours is set up, I have shop rags, and then I put just wood shavings and kindling inside the shop rag, put it over the tweer, and then put a little bit of lump charcoal on. The lump charcoal, it will get hot enough to start the coke, just the coke. So that's generally how we start our fire. And then sometimes we actually do add coal, but that's generally to the outside and work it in, coke it up, work it in. But that's how we start our fire. And as a general rule, I start, like if we're doing a live stream, I start our fire like 5 minutes before we start. And we're at a forging fire in 5 minutes.
Right. It is magnificent. Randy, I just sent you a message.
Now watch
Make
it.
a sword, make a sword.
Watch none of it work, right?
Yeah, now that you've bragged on the process and all of a sudden it just stops. Pine cones. Yeah, I've seen that. People use pine cones to start their fire.
Yeah, sure.
Nature is a wonderful thing, providing us with all kinds of ways
I watched
to-
MacGyver one time
Yeah?
on an episode of MacGyver. MacGyver made hand grenades out of pine cones.
Really?
Yep.
Put black powder on them?
He put a little, no,
Yeah?
the sap, the pine tar.
Huh.
He wrapped them in something. I don't forget what he wrapped them in. And then he lit them. I don't know. Yeah. You can do the thumbs up if you want, guys. Like I said, we're just
We were
literally just hanging out.
Going around.
And Eli said, "Hey, let's do a sound check on a live real quick."
Yeah.
Okay.
Otherwise, we make a video and stuff. Normally, we do like a shop updates video real quick, but I say, well, we want to test the audio equipment. We might as well do a little live stream, see what everybody else thinks of the audio. That way we get live interactive feedback on it. And two, why not? We're here.
I didn't have time to bust up any Coke or
Yeah.
nothing. That's the only downside to our Coke, really, is it's just big chunks.
It is big and chunky like myself.
Like my 4th grade girlfriend.
No, I'll take the big and chunky one today.
Okay.
Yeah, we always love to amaze and impress our friends with starting a fire at a campfire using a bag of Doritos.
Who brought up the Doritos?
Metal
Oh, yeah.
blueberries.
Corn chips. Sure.
Yeah, corn chips, anything that's got like an oil in it.
Yeah, my backpack actually, I generally keep a little bag of Doritos in my backpack when I'm backpacking.
Open them up, light it on fire, boom.
All right. Since I don't have much else.
What you gonna make, Troy?
I don't know.
You gotta figure it out while you're.
I didn't even think about it.
Make a sword.
Make a sword. Make a knife.
Make a knife.
You're a blacksmith.
Make a knife.
Horseshoes. There's a question.
What's that?
How many of you guys forge with aprons?
Or do you do fire chaps? Or do you go nothing?
Yeah.
Well, not nothing. Hopefully you have clothes on while you're blacksmithing. That might be
What's
a little
that?
dangerous. I said, well, not nothing, because it might get a little dangerous if you're forcing into the shop with nothing on.
Right. Yeah, let's not do that.
There you go. That's some tech to have. Camp stove that also charges your phone while it burns.
I've heard about those.
Yeah. Justin says yes on the apron.
Okay, Justin uses an apron. I'm guessing Randy does.
You think? Sure, his is, drab and.
Oh,
nothing.
it's horrible, I'm sure.
Yeah.
But you know what they say, the plumber's house always leaks.
Yeah.
Mechanic's car never runs.
Yeah. That's true. I tell you, I went to tire discounters today, waited an hour and a half for them to figure out that there was a screw in my tire.
Really?
Yeah. $30 to
Gee whiz.
Screws. Yeah, as many of you I'm sure know, if you can't tell by his name, Randy does leather work. So if you need leather work done, go check out Randy. There's your
Newt's
plug for
Leather
today.
and Metal Smithy.
Newt's Leather and Metal Smithy.
It's all the rage. All the cool kids are doing it.
All the cool blacksmiths are doing it.
I can't believe you guys are like. I mean, I'm glad we are.
Yeah.
Really cool
Why
to be able to just hang out. How many we got in here right now?
Looks like 14 or 15, so.
Okay.
Just hanging out.
Guys, just make sure you come back tomorrow night, okay?
Yes. They're like, I got my bar run for forge in early this week. I don't have to be there for tomorrow. Randy said that's because they're too busy fixing other people's crap.
That's exactly it. That's exactly it. Roofer's house needs a roof.
Yeah. All right, Justin, thanks so much for joining in, buddy.
Justin, take care,
Have a
man.
great day. God bless.
Yeah, you know, the other thing, guys, just really keep in mind we're making an attempt to not only improve sound, but just the entire, you know, the experience. That's exactly it. We want to continue to make everything better. We want to do better smithing. We want to do better recording. We want to do better audio. You know, we want to improve things here in the shop so that you guys can enjoy everything.
He said no show tomorrow. I spent my allotted time with Troy and Eli already this week.
Hey, I get it. Some people can only take so much of us.
All right, let's see here.
It is understandable.
My audio has a little feedback.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed how short that was. Something's about Eli's audio. Echo?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got hair in my mouth.
Yeah, how short a time that was to go to Forging Fire.
It's magical. Windscreen it, see if that does anything. Does that do anything to adjust it with having this? It's obviously having the windscreen on. How about now? Does it do anything? Yeah, Eli
Better
says it's
one
like
or
echo.
two?
Yeah.
One
One
or two?
or two. One or two. Is it echoing my voice or is it echoing him? Is it echoing Dad and forging stuff?
Yeah, what the heck?
Okay. Interesting. So they say my voice is echoey, your voice is fine.
Your voice is the echo?
Yep. So let's see if I can tweak some audio. Not sure if
8 holes through half-inch plate. Yeah, hot punching would probably go quicker. Wouldn't ruin a drill bit either. Let's see here. Less than 15 seconds. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we do need to do that.
Our 4-inch. Oh yeah, the family tree.
Yeah, the one that I started on and then it turned into junk. I wonder if maybe your lapel mic is picking up too good.
Too good?
Yeah, it's so they're saying
Should I maybe turn it down?
maybe a smidgen.
I had it kind of maxed out before,
Yeah.
and then you can turn it up there.
Well, we're both cranked on the audio mixer. So both of us, our volumes are at super high speed. When I speak, it's not really coming out of your, but it is coming out of mine. It's also coming out of mine in stereo. So I wonder if I take it out of stereo and do it in a mono.
Yes, Randy, I am going to make. Speaking of which,
Mm.
we were going to make since we're from Ohio, we were going to make.
That sounds better. It's very similar to another type of leaf that's illegal. His audio is gone. Huh. Your audio is gone. Did you turn your audio off? Oh, jeez.
What do you do, Richard?
I do nothing. Okay, you're.
Am I back?
Keep speaking.
Am I back? You
Yeah.
getting anything from me?
Yeah, it's also catching from me too. So that sounds like it might be the. Is that still catching me?
What about me? What about me?
It's catching you.
Okay.
It's also catching a slight amount of me.
I wonder why.
I don't know. I think so too, Chirpy. I am not sure. Is your wind thing on?
Yeah.
Fuzzy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Are we back?
Yeah. That mic actually might be too good. Like, just picks up on voices.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that might be our issue then. So it may be picking up my voice from your lapel mic. But if I turn you down, then you're turned down.
Yeah.
So I guess the
Okay.
other option.
Let me try.
We boost me.
Just turn
We put me in a booth.
turn me down just one notch.
I've got you turned down on the thing as well, but it's still picking me up slightly.
Okay.
So, what does he sound like? Is he dull or is he loud?
It's not very nice. Well, what I was saying about the family tree, Randy, is okay. Uno momento, por favor. Yeah, we're going to switch out some connections, so 1 minute. Is louder, your echo reduced a tad. Josh, how are you?
So we switched over.
You got me?
On this one. And let's see how this one sounds.
Is that any better, everybody?
So what I've done, I've switched the mic inputs. So he is now on the back of the computer, and I'm on the USB device. So let's see
Test,
if that
test,
does
test,
anything.
test, test. Test, 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 test. Test, test, test. Josh Smith, how are you, brother? We're just doing a test stream. Nothing major.
All right, let's see if I'm still echoed.
Okay, now that I'm not forging.
Yeah, I'm going to just test my voice and see if I'm echoed. He said, doing okay. How are you, sir?
Stupid blessed, man. Stupid blessed. I think I'm going to do the binding texture.
Okay. Yeah, I think what it is that my voice is grating on your lapel mic.
Wow.
Thanks, Jeff. He called me Ellie.
Ellie. Are you back now?
Yeah, we're both back on, but I think so. When I talk, I can see it through your lapel mic. So
Wow.
I think your lapel mic is just picking me up.
Wow.
So my thought would be
Mind thought? Did you go German on us?
mind. I said in my mind.
Oh, okay.
Would be maybe a booth.
Now he wants a sound booth.
Yeah, those sound guys, you gotta watch it. See, it's like being recorded in a bathroom. We're gonna have to figure that one out.
Yeah.
Well, if anything, having a barrier between you and I would cut off because my sound is directly going, like my voice is pointed at your lapel.
Pointing directly at me.
Yeah. So if we had something blocking in between you and I.
So the echo is back really bad.
Yeah.
Huh.
So, don't know.
Remind me to apologize to Roy.
What's that?
Remind me to apologize to Roy because I dogged on him for his short live stream
Oh, yeah.
that went 41 minutes.
We're now at 45.
Yeah.
Fix and fluff and apologize to him real quick.
Yeah. Oh, buddy. In case anybody's wondering, I am putting a vining texture on. I have a really fine, really tight cross peen there, and it kind of puts a texture like vining on to whatever it is you're making. All right, now we can make the leaf. I might have it. Thanks for reminding me, Randy. I appreciate that.
Wonder if it sounds any better if I'm just really close. Like just if I'm up here close to the mic but not actually talking loud enough for the lapel mic to hear. Let's see if that makes any difference. that makes a huge difference.
What did?
So if I only get close to the microphone
Yeah.
and don't like project my voice,
Yeah.
but speak close enough to the mic that it can only hear me. So now it becomes a fun game of back and forth where he can't hear me, but I have to talk extremely like right up against the microphone. Yeah, I can tell a difference whenever I speak close to the microphone and
Yeah.
look right at it versus
Okay.
here. Sorry. Click the wrong button. Click the wrong button.
What's that?
I haven't put our mic inputs on the other scenes yet, and the
Oh.
other scenes were kind of messed up, so I accidentally clicked it, and it was like no sound and a weird camera angle for a second.
Seems to help Eli. That's good.
So, I guess I just have to talk like in my NPR voice.
Hear what Metal said?
No.
Don't let.
Don't let it
Yeah.
cause a wreck. Go wake up. There you go.
What's up?
Randy said, I think you could use the Repose hammer I'm giving away for my, I'm assuming, giveaway? You doing a giveaway?
Yeah.
Or a live stream giveaway?
And hey, if you're
if you're offering.
wanting to give it away, the answer is yes. I could use it.
Give it away now.
Give it away now.
Same here, Randy. Actually, 4 o'clock. I woke up really, so I have to be in at work at 6 o'clock in the morning, and normally I get up about 4:30, so that gives me time to shower and make breakfast and yada yada yada. But for some reason I woke up square at 4, so I feel you on that one.
Oh, I want to show this off.
250
This is
sub giveaway.
one of our friends, Mike. That's his swage there. Yeah, by the way,
Also,
we are coming up on 250 as well.
yes.
And preparing for our giveaway. I think we're like 22 away.
Yeah, I think we're at 228. So our 250 giveaway will also be nearing. Again, not required to be in the giveaway, but if you guys have anything you would like to be included.
Repeat that.
So, we're at 227. So, no, I was going to say, if you guys have anything you would like to send to us to be a part of the giveaway, you are more than welcome to send that along to us. And please mark, if you do, that it is for the giveaway. So it's not just like, hey, somebody donated a hammer. That's cool. And it was supposed to be for the giveaway. Or some, whatever it is. It can be something as simple as a sticker pack or punches and chisels like we made for a giveaway. Anything you guys would like to, if you want to donate, that would be incredible. Again, not required for the giveaway, but when we hit the 250 subscribers, we will be doing a live stream giveaway and hopefully some neat stuff. If you have any ideas of stuff we should do for the giveaway, what something you'd like to see blacksmith made or blacksmith tools, please let us know. That would be fantastic. plugging away.
Yeah. Using my fancy switch block.
Ooh, there you go. Randy's doing a apron giveaway at 500.
Woo!
Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Metal Blueberries has a question for you.
Go for it.
Said, hammer question. I generally use a HF, Harbor Freight Engineering hammer, but I'm needing to look into something that weighs a little bit less for my wrists that are wore out.
Yeah.
Flea markets are a good
Yeah.
place.
Yeah.
eBay.
eBay as well. This hammer is actually kind of a stock hammer. It's from Plum. I think it's about 2.5. Yeah. This is what I started with. This was my very first hammer. I found it at Quad State last year, $7. You can find similar hammers all over the place. It's got a good cross peen to it, just something like that. Definitely 2.5 pounds.
Yeah.
I definitely point your nose in that direction. I use this one a lot.
That's the Harbor Freight one.
And that's a Harbor Freight. The only thing I would do with this is just ease those edges down. And this is a usable hammer. It's a little bit bigger.
That's what he said he was trying to get away from.
Yeah, this is a 3 pound.
Yeah.
And so you can get the smaller version of this, and I think you'd be just fine. Sand the handle down, make it more to your hand. Ease the cross peen a little bit.
I rehandled mine. I did mine very well. Not toot my own horn. Yeah, Yamez does a hammer, has a hammer video, and one of the ones on there from Amazon, I think is like $35 for a rounding hammer, 2-pound rounding hammer, which looks to be a decent little hammer for you. I believe they're currently, last time I checked, they're currently out. But yeah, that's, if you wanted to spend some money, there are plenty of places you could get a hand forged hammer at 2.5 pounds or so. So that's always drop forged.
Drop forged. Drop brushed. And really, a lot of the guys, you can go to places like Pay Tool, Blacksmith Supply, all those places. If you're looking for a specific blacksmith hammer, or you can support some of these local guys that make some amazing hammers.
Yeah.
I say local guys on YouTube.
Welcome back, Bill Corey.
Bill, we decided to do some forging, buddy.
Because why not?
Because Merca.
Yeah. But yeah, absolutely. If you've got some extra money to throw at it, definitely, support the guys that do hand forged hammers and whatnot.
Because I think what you'll find too is those are generally much more balanced. Bob Bew, yes, Bob makes an amazing hammer.
Yeah.
Get her hot again.
Or if you can make a friend with somebody that'll make one for you, or have
Yeah.
one that they've made, or
Like my first hammer I worked on, this one right here, Hans and I did together. Hans invited me over and we worked on one together.
yeah. Again, there are good, decent ones that you can purchase, and there's also good ones you can, either go find somebody to make one with, or have somebody make one for you. Thank you for coming, Josh Smith. Appreciate that.
Yeah, God bless you, man.
Those scrolling tongs are fantastic.
Yep, I like them.
They do great work, except for on a piece of 1/4 inch round.
I had a little struggle with that, that's all.
That was not your day, though.
No, it was not.
Yeah, there was lot of trickery and tomfoolery happening in the shop that day somehow, some way in the forge. But yeah, to answer your question, Metal Blueberries, I would just start asking around. You know, again, if somebody's got an old hammer that they're not using that would work for you, or maybe one they're not using, or whatever, get in touch with. You will find something in the community of blacksmiths. Somebody, some way will show up for you, for sure. We can offer a small amount of helpful hints, but there are a lot of guys that do make hammers and know a lot about hammers would definitely get in touch with them and pick their brains a little bit, especially if you've got any like health issues or something like that. Would be good to talk to them and just understand. John Switzer has a good video on talking about hammer technique and, you know, for issues and health reasons and things like that of different hammers to use, sizes, technique, and things like that. So I would definitely check out on Black Bear Forge, type in the hammer video. He talks about hammer technique and preventing injury. It's a good video as well. Look at that fancy leaf, man. That's pretty good.
Little vining texture, little leaf, yada yada, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh, Randy? Very cool. All right.
Yeah, Hans would be a great guy to get in touch with on hammer stuff. He knows a thing or two about the hammers.
Just a few.
Yamas and the yammers.
Yep.
He knows a thing or two about the hammers. Nice. Ed said nice. Nice.
Thanks, Ed. Josh, take care, brother. God bless you, man. Ed, I like the scroll tongs. Really do. I am going to make a bigger set out of spring steel, coil spring. Thanks, Randy. You know, one of the things I like about the Leaf is that kind of everybody's got a different take on leaves, different way to form them and different way to texture them and all that kind of fun stuff. I just think that's really cool.
You got a nice pair of V-bit bolt jaw tongs over there too, don't you?
Yeah.
Very handy for quarter round and quarter bar stock for sure.
Dan Grubbs, Northwest Missouri. Bill says I can take him or leave him.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. I think you're barking up the wrong tree, buddy.
See what Randy said to you?
Yeah, man, that would be great. That would be phenomenal.
Corshire.
Yet one more person who has nothing better to do. Too far.
Yes, it is. I didn't realize that. The date on the chalkboard still from yesterday.
What?
We just like confusing people. It still says it's 26 on the chalkboard.
Oh.
Fantastic, Dan. How about you? We're actually getting a little snowfall right now.
Yeah, I think we're supposed to be like 18 tonight.
Really?
18 or something like that. Tomorrow night, definitely.
A little chewy. So, to update everybody, since we're an hour in and people have come in, we are doing an audio test, and the audio test has pointed out some flaws and some better sound, so hopefully tomorrow's live stream will be good. Main thing was we got a new USB device for my microphone, Dad's microphone, somebody's microphone. And we were just giving a little update. So what you see behind Dad on the chalkboard, besides the wrong date, is a new project we will be starting hopefully tomorrow, if not for the Thursday live streams. That is a bracket. A bracket. Is this what we're calling it? Bracket holding for some old Civil War bang-bangs. So, Britton Farm Homestead, welcome to the stream. But tomorrow's live stream is still happening. Don't
Tomorrow's on. We're just hanging out.
Yeah,
Literally.
this is just a hangout time. Testing time and hangout time and whatnots. So we got a new USB device. We got a butcher block. I got a butcher block. Yay! And testing out the audio. So.
All right, I'm going to do something.
Okay.
I'm going to do something. Since we're just goofing around,
Yeah.
Here's what we're going to do. Eli,
Yes.
you all are going to have one guess only. Okay, you ready for this?
What? Hello, Wayne.
Hey, Wayne. You're going to get one guess only. My birth month, day, and year. Okay?
Yeah.
Month, day, and year.
Yeah.
And the closest in one guess will get this hook.
Wow. Okay.
How about that?
You heard it here, folks.
So, on the count of 3, one guess, and if you want it, you can have the hook. Closest wins. Hopefully Eli knows the information well enough to know who wins.
I do.
You got to give a year, too. Kenny, you can guess again. You got to include a year.
Oh. Ooh.
I'm loving some of these people.
Yeah.
$1970 something.
Specific year, Corey Shire. Are you doing it till the end of the hook making process, or
I don't
how
know.
long do we give them, or till somebody either nails it or?
Well, you got how many people in on the stream?
17.
Okay.
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 people so far. Yes.
Okay.
He said he can't count back and forth.
Ah.
Ooh. Dang. 2 people said 63 and 66.
I was happy with a lot of you until that popped up.
Up to 9.
Okay. We're going to go until 5:50.
So 2 minutes.
5:50.
Back when they found dirt.
Back when they found dirt. Close. I remember the advertisement for dirt.
You and Methuselah?
Yeah.
Punching holes, too. 1 minute to get your guesses in. Almost time. You said 5:50, right?
5:50.
Yep. Looks like everybody who wants to put their guesses in has put their guesses in.
Okay.
So, you ready?
I'm ready. Hold on.
Okay. So, you want to tell them what the correct answer is?
The correct answer is April 3rd, 1973.
So, the person with the closest, the only person to guess, as long as I'm looking at this correctly, the only person to guess the year of 1973 is Mr. Justin Ray.
Justin.
So there you go. Justin Ray, if you would...
Grecian formula.
Justin, if you would send us your contact info, your shipping address, in either Instagram, Facebook, text message. If you go to the About page, the About page on our channel, personal phone number's on there. Whatever you would like to get in contact with us, just let me know.
Yeah, and as far as gray hair goes, I think I found my first one in my beard this year.
The beard grays.
I did get a beard gray this year. My grandpa used to say, when you turn a certain age, the hair on your head starts to do something, and it starts to grow in. So when it grows in, it does one of two things: it either finds gray matter or it finds nothing. If it finds nothing, it falls out. If it finds gray matter, it turns gray.
There you go.
So I'm so dumb it hadn't even started looking yet. Yeah, I mean, I'll be 48 in a couple months.
He's already a papa.
And I'm a papa of a near 3-year-old, so.
Got 3 kids, 1 grandkid, 2 dogs. It's a wild time.
It's a blessed life, man. It is a blessed life.
Guess my birthday, and you win a round of applause.
Ooh, me.
I don't count if you're the producer of that. Oh, bless your heart. Blueberry says I have 3 girls.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, Wayne is father of 6, grandfather of 14.
Man, oh man. I can't wait for that day. Except for the father of 6 thing.
Yeah, I think you're past that one.
Yeah, that's a done deal there.
Unless you got some biblical miracles happening here in the
Yep.
next few years.
Yep.
I don't know about the grandfather of 14 either. I think
Oh no.
there's some processes that have to play out for Abigail and I. And
Yep.
turn Justin and Courtney into a Mega Maker factory.
I'm on. I'm cool. As the kids say, I'm down.
You're down.
I think we're ready to make a hook.
Go and hook it. He is working on a leaf vine well hook.
Yep.
You're younger than me, or you're younger than Dad? Working on a G hook. Oh, working on it. I thought he said working on a G hook. I read that so wrong. Working on a G hook. There you go. New project.
A G hook.
He's on fleet.
Is that what the kids are saying nowadays?
On fleet. There you have it, folks.
Well, that was a bit of a boo-boo.
Did you?
Yep.
What did you do?
I put the hole down too far. We're going to have to shorten the hook.
Awesome. I think it just came in, Justin. So we will get in contact with you and send you your prize.
Hooray!
I need like a little yay button to push on the for the stream. Dang, Wayne's got a stretch. He's got 22 to 3 in grandchildren. Wayne said,
You know what? I've always been impressed with Wayne's production.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lord.
And now so, even more so. Say it again.
Can't be a live stream without the Roush Boys without having bacon in it. Or with the Roush Boys without having bacon in it. I'll make it eventually. Words are hard. Rocks are hard. Words are difficult.
Words are difficult. Rocks are hard. Okay. I don't think I gotta do.
Fantastic dessert today. The local Mexican restaurant makes a chimney cheesecake. It was fantastic, if I do say so myself. They freeze cheesecake and deep fry it in like a sweet chimichanga batter, and then Randy said, "Everybody run! Corey Shire's here."
Yeah. Run for the hills. Bacon.
But yes, the chimney cheesecake, fantastic. Covered in whipped cream, ice cream, chocolate, and strawberry sauce. It was good. We've got an hour and 20 minutes.
I know. That's for a test stream,
Yeah.
right?
And Bill Corey said, "Oh, it's the other Corey." Good stuff. Yeah, for an hour and 20 minutes. Just
Test audio.
Yeah. You do have to apologize to Roy now because you've
Yeah. Seriously have to apologize
done
to
him
him.
for an audio test and then
I
ended
did.
up forging a leaf hook. There you go. Blueberry jam and toffee for Christmas.
Yeah.
Solid stuff.
3 sets of 5 die. Oh, cool. Been seeing some of those out there.
Alrighty, Justin. Thanks for jumping on and congratulations. We will get you a hook sent to you.
Do you want to see what you get first?
Yeah,
You may want to detract your...
You gotta go to a meeting. Come on with the come on. How you doing? Chirpy is back. Wayne said Alex from Valhalla issued a challenge.
I heard about that.
Challenge.
All right, we're going to call that. I'll do the finish on it here in a little bit.
Alrighty. Oh, just doing some forging in Tattoo live streaming.
Unintentional.
Unintentional. So we will be okay, Justin is still watching, so
Oh, okay.
just dropping stuff on the ground. That's so nice of you.
Yeah.
We will still be doing the live stream tomorrow. Tinker with Troy Thursday live stream at 6 o'clock will still be on. We were just doing some audio tests and it turned into somebody telling us to do some forging, and
So we did.
here we are.
All right, here we go. Still got a little adjustment to make in the final fit and everything. There you go.
Looky there. It's pretty good.
Like I said, it's out of whack and all that kind of fun stuff, but got to put the finish on it. And you're about to have one, so. And my phone is ringing, and my bride's on the other line, so we're gonna have to.
I'll take over.
We're gonna have to quit here. Hey guys, we'll see you tomorrow night, 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Thank you guys for jumping in.
Yes.
Appreciate you guys hanging out with us, wanting to chat. It's a lot of fun. Take care, guys. God bless. We'll see you.
God bless you all. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.